Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a product bundle on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your name and we have your account settings, billing, email notifications, my purchases, and the logout button. We also have the store and everything in your store and marketing on the left side of your screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a product bundle on Sellfy. So to add a product bundle on Sellfy, follow these steps. Log into your Sellfy account as I already told you on the start of the video. Navigate to the product section from your dashboard, which is here, as you can see. Then click add new product. Click on the plus button here, as you can see. And after that, select digital product. So out of all of these 5 options, select digital product. Then upload the file you want to include on your bundle. You can upload multiple files at once using the compressed .zip folder if you have many files when you click on the browser on computer or select upload it. Fill the product details such as title, description, and price. Use the variants section if you want to offer different variants of bundles. And then add a preview images or videos to showcase your bundle and save the product at the end. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.